Hey ladies and gentlemen, Bo here. I got a special project to do today. Let me show you what I got. So the old blue pickup, we've still got some work going on with it, but I have new tires and really old wheels. Let's have a look. So these four wheels in front of you are, I think they're American Racing AR62 Outlaw 2s. These particular wheels are from 1990. These are the ones that came on the truck when I got it. And as you can see, they're a little worse for the wear. The clear coats come off, they're pitted real bad. So I'm gonna try to restore these wheels, and I'm not exactly sure how I wanna go about doing it. But first thing I need to do is get them cleaned up. And I wanna try something I've never tried before, because that's what you do. So it's this aircraft paint remover. Now these don't have paint on them, but they do have a clear coat. So before I can apply new paint to it, I need to get this off. So the instructions are pretty clear. It says use only with adequate ventilation to prevent buildup of vapors. Do not use in areas where vapors can accumulate and concentrate, such as basements, bathrooms, and small enclosed areas. I think we're good. If used indoors, open all windows. So I'm sure it'll be fine. Okay, so I read through the directions, and basically it says mask any seams and openings, prevent bleed back after you repaint it, shake well, hold the can upright, 8 to 12 inches. It doesn't say anything about rubber. It does specifically say plastic. Don't leave it on plastic. I should be good. Now, it's gonna take about 45 minutes for this to work, so we'll give a, quote, generous coating, and we'll see what happens. Oh, all right. Look, yeah, that's pretty generous. I mean, it stinks to high heaven, but all right, let me do the rest of them. Okay, they're all coated. We'll come back in, I guess 40. Missed a spot. I'll come back in about 45 minutes or so, and we'll see exactly how badly I messed these up. Sorry. Okay, it's been 45 minutes now. Let me go grab something real fast here. So, all that clear coat should be off. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, that's crazy looking. It says use a plastic scraper. I don't have one. Oh wow, that works. I mean, it looks nasty, but that worked. I mean, it smells terrible. Probably not good for you, you know. But I mean, it got the clear coat off for sure. I mean, it beats the hell out of sand in it. See the same thing over here? Oh yeah, look at there. Oh yeah. So, aircraft paint stripper stripped the paint, and not only off aircrafts. All right, kids, we hit a bit of a snag with the wheels. As you can see now, they have no tires on them, or weights, or valve stems. But that's okay. So what happened is one of the four was flat. I put air in it and tried to find the leak. Well, come to find out, it was leaking around the bead. Believe it or not, these old crusty rims don't get a very good seal. Now, I have some suspicions as to why. But one of the issues that I came up with was whenever they mounted the tires, they never bothered to clean the dirt out of here. Like, that's not going to seal. So We're gonna drop back and punt on that. I'm going to clean these, all four. There's my bucket of soap. This is nothing magical. It's car washing soap. Stiff scrub brush. And then I'm gonna clean the barrels out of each one of these wheels and then take them in the shop and get a wire wheel on a grinder and see if I can't buff the beads. And then run it back to discount, have a remount the wheels and make sure they hold air. Got them all cleaned up. As you can see, they look a lot better than they did. Oh, we're back in the shop, by the way. Ignore all the overspray. So they're not great, but they do look a lot better. So I did manage to get everything cleaned off from inside the bead and managed to get the beads a little cleaner. So I figured while I had them broke down and literally had them stripped, I'm gonna go ahead and repaint them. I don't have the time to really get these cleaned back up to their factory shine, repolish them and clear coat them like I should, so I'm just gonna paint them. And then once I get them painted, I'm gonna clear them and then mount the tires back on and see if they hold air. So that's the next thing we're gonna do. So I went down to my local auto parts store. And it's gonna be Universal Silver Metallic, Duplicolor Perfect Match. Have another can over there, and the clear coat's coming. I'll show you that when it gets here. Okay, so there's one painted. It looks pretty good. I mean, it looks pretty good on the camera. Doesn't look that great up close, but it's a wheel from 1990. Now, let's see if we can get the other three to clean up as good as this one. This was the best one of the three. This was the first wheel, and then this was the rest of them. They turned out pretty okay. I mean, they're not bad. I would think mounted on a truck with proper center caps and whatnot, it would look pretty good. I like it. Now these are the center caps. I have all four, but they are in very rough shape. And that's the center caps done. Well, not done. First coat. So the wheels, the caps, all first coat. We'll get the second coat on there and the clear. Finish up a few little odds and ends, and we'll go down to discount and go ahead and have them mount and balance these. And we'll see what it looks like. All right, folks, that's the painted wheels. They are complete. I think they look pretty good. Now, time to shoot the clear coat. We're gonna use Focus Spray Max 2K Clear. This, hands down, is the best clear coat that you can buy on Amazon. It's a two-part, so it has a button on the bottom, or button on the top, and a little punch on the bottom. It's an activator, so it's a hardener. It's an enamel and a hardener that gets clear. I've used it several times on several projects. Works really, really well. So I'm hoping that I can put a nice clear over these and get a good, hard protective coating on these wheels. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. We'll find out. Okay, so basically follow the directions on the can. It says shake the can for 2 minutes. Pull the red button off the top. Push it in the bottom to activate the can. Shake for 2 more minutes. And get to spraying. All right, let's see how this goes. Yeah, that's looking good. Sorry, it's hard to record this and actually do it right. It's a one-man show around here, you know what I mean? Can you see? Oh yeah, you can see the high gloss. Yeah, compare the two. This one versus that one. It looks pretty good. Just old rattle can paint job here on these old wheels. Yeah, I could have bought new ones for about 180 bucks a piece. Or I can try to revive these and make them something I want them to be. Not just not just whatever the run-of-the-mill wheels are. There's something really nice about doing something like this for yourself. I got 2 cans. I shouldn't need 2 cans to do this little job. I might. That's why I bought 2. I think they're like 20 bucks a piece on Amazon. If I remember, I'll put a link in the description. It's not an affiliate link, so it's just good shit. Now, one concern I have is that it is kind of cold out today. So this may orange peel, it may wrinkle and crinkle, and I don't know. It may not come out right. But we'll do it before and after, and I promise you, no matter how bad this paint job turns out, it's gonna look way better than what they did when I pulled them off the truck. Anything is better than what they were when I pulled them off the truck. Then after this, I guess tomorrow, we'll let this cure for 24 hours. I'll send them down back to discount. Have my tires remounted. See if they hold air. I think it's gonna come out great. Nice thick coats on this. Whew, should probably open a window. Good Lord. Yeah, man, that looks good. I like that. That's nice. A little dab of do you. A little bit here and there. I don't remember how long it says this stuff takes to cure, but I mean, it's not like I need the truck today or anything. But oh yeah. Now that looks kind of jacked up. But let's look at this one. Oh yeah, that's nice. Very good. I like it. These wheels and tires turned out amazing. So it took a little bit of work, a little bit of elbow grease, but man, they look really good. Now I want to point out the center caps. They were really rough. I got them lined out, but check out the custom center cap logo. So how did I get that? Something I want to show you. Okay, some of you may know I do my own logos and I do my own graphic design stuff. So I had these stickers printed. I put the stickers onto the center caps, and that's how you got the custom center caps. But who I chose to go through, the Sticker Mule. So Sticker Mule was the only company that would print my logo, and I didn't have to buy 100 stickers. So I ordered 12. That was the minimum order. For 20 bucks, I got 12 of these iridescent metal back stickers. And they are so cool looking. Like, these things turned out amazing. See that iridescence in there? So I only needed 4, but I ended up with 12. So for the first, was how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for the first 7 people that comment on this video, I'm going to send you one of these stickers. One of these orange Bono stickers. So these are the exact same stickers that went on the center caps of my truck. So comment below. Okay, so I want y'all to know this is by no means a sponsored video, but Sticker Mule did an awesome job. So, yeah. Check out Sticker Mule if you ever want to print something.